I got asked this question. What's the best way or easiest way or a good way to create a 10 plus character password using alphanumeric characters and even extended characters? For me, the best way to do that is to use what I refer to as a story style password. Let me show you what I mean by story style password. Really is, again, tell a story with 10 or more words using numbers and extended characters as much as you can. Let me give you an example here. Here's one example. Here's a story. I love eating 1 pound of apples at once with a teaspoon of peanut butter. So that password would be ILE1 pound O, capital A, because apples are, I'm calling that a noun, AOWAOTO, and then peanut butter is capital PB. That's a great little password. How many characters is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different characters. I love eating 1 pound of apples at once with a teaspoon of peanut butter. Now let me give you another example. Now here's another example. Little simple. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow! 2024. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, fleece being a noun, white, I'm pushing it, calling it a noun, and I know it's not. And then snow, I'm calling that a noun, capital letters, 2024. MHALLI, capital F, W, capital W, A, capital S, exclamation 2024. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters. Very simple. Could be, for you, an easy way to remember a story. Let me give you one more story style password. My wife and I got married in 2010 at the Justice of the Peace, period. M, capital W, A, L, G, capital M, I, 2010. That should be an A, T for the, J for justice, lowercase O-T, capital P, and then the period. I got my extended character. Again, simple ways of coming up with passwords that you could remember that are unique and they're not the same thing over and over again. You should write a different story style password for every online account. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Now, how do you keep track of this? A couple ways. One is, yes, you could create a document somewhere on something that no one will ever get to that has your story and your password. Yes, probably more beneficial and purposeful is use a password management tool. I use LastPass. I love LastPass because it lets me use it on all of my devices. I have to pay for it to get that. It's not expensive. And furthermore, I could use LastPass to create these absolutely bizarre, unique, hard to crack passwords. I recommend story style passwords or use a password management tool that will do your passwords for you. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.